Today, let's talk about an easy mistake to make when formatting datetime strings with capital Y versus lowercase YYYY. Even Netflix has made this issue, and let's talk about it featuring Squid Game. Alright, so imagine this. It's the last week of December 2021, and you restart your Netflix subscription. Why? Because people wouldn't stop talking about Squid Game, and you finally give in. But then you see something interesting on your account page. It's this. It's December 2021, and yet the Netflix account page says that you've been a member since December 2022. There's no way that you made your account in the future. Why is this happening? Very strange, right? Well, it's most likely because the datetime formatting code is using capital 4Ys format string instead of lowercase 4Ys. The lowercase 4y refers to the calendar year, which is almost definitely what you want. But people often mistakenly use capital Y instead, and who can blame them? The capital version means something else, and will actually return the next calendar year during the week of the calendar year, if that week contains New Year's Day, which fell on Saturday of 2021. I've seen this happen before, and yeah. Have you made this mistake? It's just a small UI bug, but it can definitely cause problems in some circumstances, and it would only affect accounts made in the last week of a calendar year, when that week contains New Year's Day, so it's very tricky to track down. Maybe you've made this mistake somewhere in your code. And just a quick update, after my bug report, Netflix has fixed this issue, so pretty cool. If you like this sort of content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.